My boys, welcome back to another trade breakdown. Today is Tuesday, January 7th. Now, this is yesterday's range right here. This is the high yesterday, this is the lower yesterday. Remember that's another step that I added before we before we do pre-market high and low. So we got yesterday's high and low in this box right here, and then the midline of yesterday's high and low. When we stay below this, we're gonna want to look short, and then when we stay above this half, we're gonna want to look, for longs. I just have this here because once I move out of the hour time frame, that box is not there no more, so we can only see this right here. I marked off the pre-market high and low right here, just to see where we was gonna be within that range. One, I can see that we were staying below the midline of yesterday's high and low. So I was already looking for shorts, and then once we got over here at 8 a.m. and we had this little peak above that midline for yesterday, literally 2 candles later we closed back below it. This right here was a level I just had for like the most previous low of pre-market right there, so I just wanted to see it close below that. Yeah, so when we only had this little peak outside of this and we closed right back in it, I was automatically looking short already. But this candle came down here and then it shot all the way back up here and it closed up here, so I was kind of like nervous. Oh, you can see actually better on the 5 minute. Okay, cool. So now y'all see more in depth. Like we came and we did close below this, but then we had this push up again. It wasn't trying to do that. Yeah, like I said, once I seen this movement like back up here and then we got these 2 choppy candles right here, I had already kind of figured just by the way the price was moving that it wasn't going to move back above this. And so like as soon as we came right to this level, that's where I got in at. And then luckily, I know people say don't trade news, but I don't trade CPI or FOMC. I don't really know what this U.S. job opening does to the market at all or anything like that, but I never had any problems trading on days when that is going on. I didn't have no problem with it, but luckily as soon as 9 o'clock hit and news came out, that bitch dropped like 2 seconds. So it's like a 6-minute trade, probably not even though. I don't know if my face in front of it, but you see we did 986 today. But my goal for this year is just to have multiple funded accounts. It's like I'm, trading twice at the same time. It's double the money. So yeah, that's my goal for 2025 is just to have multiple funded accounts. And sometimes you don't want to trade all your funded accounts at once too. Sometimes you just might want to build one, and leave the other alone. Yeah, I'm just working on building all 2025 and putting out more content and staying more consistent. And yeah, so I appreciate y'all boys for watching. Join the Discord if you haven't already, but this is more of just a Discord video. I really not really gonna post these on Instagram like that no more. I'm gonna save Instagram for like clips of my vlogs and shit like that. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. I'll catch y'all again tomorrow if I trade. If I don't, I'm gonna catch y'all the next day I trade. Let's get money.